Out anyway because there's something weird with my screen recording. Anyway, hello. No, stop. Okay, whatever. So, guys, Felicia, join me. Finish that page and then you can join. Oh, hold on. I want ketchup on me. Oh, I've got you now. We're going up. Oh. We've actually obtained ketchup after all this time. Wait, no. No, I'm going to lose the ketchup after I've fought so hard for the ketchup. No! I mean, last video I fought so hard for the ketchup. I am the hoarder bird. We need to find a pretty little hat. I see a pretty little hat. This is my hat. Grr, bark, woof, woof. Look at my beautiful hat. I have an idea. We must go into the red paint. Wee. I want to get in the microwave. Ketchup? No, this isn't ketchup. It's a red hot dog. Remember the red Bloxy Awards? That was fun. Ooh, I'm trying to do a little dip and jump. Ooh, I did it. I did a little dip and jump. I'm so beautiful now. It's a big pumpkin. Okay, stay focused. What is this? I'm not going in there because there might be a chance that it kills me. So, what to do? Is there a strawberry? There is a strawberry, but who cares? What are you guys fighting over? I'm going to join the fight. It looks like I'm dead. Anyway. Hey you're ugly, so therefore I'm going to kill you. Hey guys, it's time to die. Guys. Hello, can I grab you? I guess I can't. I'll have to go grab someone else. Like you're the perfect target. Come here. We got the giant flute. Whoa. Oh, here we go. Come on. I have to grab you. I've got you.
I just turned the arrow.
Woo.
This is yours, baby.
Okay.
If you need your clothes, you can find them without them.
Mom, she's recording.
Hey. Sorry, Charlie's. I just turned the air off.
Wee. Ah, my neck. You have balloons? How do you get balloons? You know what? I'm gonna kill you for them.
It's really not.
Give me the strawberry. Oh my gosh, the strawberry killed me. Help. Oh gosh. I'll need to take you away with me because you are a hazard to this earth. Stop it. Oh gosh, here we go. Woohoo! Woo, we're really getting on it. Oh, well then. It's time to die. Yep. Oh, hold on. Let go of me. Stop it. Oh no, get away. Oh, I've been holding onto the strawberry. Anyway, I have a beautiful hat now. Anyone got ketchup? I hear you. Just shut up. Hey guys. Wait, let me in the microwave. Microwave me. No! Gosh. The shaky bird. Hey, get off of me. Oh, I guess not. Whee! Here we go. Whoa. Chim chimmery, chim chimmery, chim chim chiroo. Do 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 do. Oh gosh, we're gonna die. Chim chimmery, chim chimmery, chim chim chiroo. Look at these clouds go, they're so beautiful. I'm so beautiful. Where am I? Let's just reset. This is not going well. Whoa, we're little, what is this? Oh. Hello. Yep.
Alright.
I'm the funky bird. I'm taking the blob bird. Come on with me. Come on, you're coming with me. Woo! You are my weapon. Bye. Whoa, what the heck? Stop it. Stop. Why can't? Stop it. Can my bird just stop? Please. Can I wear either of these eggs as a hat? No, I can't apparently. Dang it. It's not what I'm looking for. Because I'm British. And the British never look for anything. Wait, what? Am I stupid? What is this? It's a donut. It's not a hat. Ooh, I see something. Ooh, we're going to party. But first we must get a hard hat. Hard, har, 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 har. Oh my gosh. Safety protocols. We're fine. Just a bit of safety protocols. Whoa. Ketchup. Get me in the ketchup. Get me in the ketchup action. So I look like I'm dying. There. Am I beautiful yet? Not yet. Okay, there. Now I'm beautiful. Look at me. I am beautiful. Just remember this. If the funky bird... a car. Remember what happened last time? Oh, gosh. Let's go. You got this little car. You can do it. I guess not. Buy a little car. I hate this little... Oh, gosh. Hey, guys. It's car time. Isn't this beautiful? This reminds me. We need to find the party coal. To the party. My money don't... I found the party. Someone's in here. What's up? Where do you get a unicorn horn? Oh my gosh. I'm the funky bird. No, wait, I haven't kidnapped someone yet. I must kidnap someone. Whoa! Help! I do not want to die. Ooh, perfect. The perfect target. Get to die. Hey, stop. Ugh, she ran away from me. They ran away from me. What is that thing? I think it needs to be killed, but we'll just let it live. We'll let it live exist. Hey guys, I've come to kill you, if that's okay. Oh! Well, don't kill me. It's not my fault that I'm gonna kill you. It's totally not my fault. Girly Pops, stop it. Stop! I think that's my fault. Yeah, it is. But anyway. Oh! What's happening down here? Wee! Get over here. You're mine now, buddy. Come on. There. I'll let you die. Woo! Catherine, would you like to see my beautiful bird? Would you like to see my beautiful bird? Okay. I'll mute it out.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so beautiful. Okay. Look at that bird go. Oh, it's a scar scene. Chim shimmery, chim shimmery. Life's no good without friends. Screw you, screw you, screw you. Let's go down the slide. Ugh, I can't go down the slide. Hey, get off of me. Wee. It's the big holy bird. Ooh, let's go across the bridge. What's across the bridge? I've never been across the bridge. Wee. Oh. Yo. Okay. Yoke. Chim shimmery, chim chimmery, chim chim charu. I see you. Oh. Wait, I want to get in the bird cage. Hop in. Oh gosh. It's gonna be my goal to get into this bird cage. Hey, fellow bird. I'm a bird like you. Get me in. Okay, well, that's great. Chim shimmery, chim. How did you get in there? I'm doing it. No. Whatever. We must have a battle. Chim chimmery, chim chimmery. Oh, what? Do you guys see that? Oh my god. Hello. Excuse me. We'll come back later. Oh, this is nice. Get. Whoa. Whoa. Goodbye. Look at that thing. Look, it's a target. Woohoo. We do not want to die. Wow, good job. I'm a funky bird because I'm so funky. Let's go in here. Safety protocol? Yes, indeed. This is called the safety protocol. Lock it off. No one can go in there now. Oh, have fun going in there. Yeah, exactly. You're not allowed. I have my eyes on you. Oh gosh, stop.